everyone, I'm Lisa and it's Poetry Week, a celebration of creativity, expression and culture. Today we take to the streets to hear what the people really think about poetry today. Let's go.
Yes, I believe poetry is still important today because it helps us to. Poetry is a field that you have to understand, you have to interpret, and all of those skills are very necessary within not only school but in real life as well. So I do believe poetry is still important and relevant today.
Across the world, March 21 is observed as World Poetry Day. Established by UNESCO in 1999, World Poetry Day highlights poetry's role in cultural expression while encouraging new generations to engage with poetry through reading, writing, and oral traditions. Poetry is different things to different people. On World Poetry Day, PBCJ honors poets, creatives, and lovers of poetry.
The Love of God, written by Frederick Lehman. To write the love of God above would drain the ocean dry, nor could the scroll contain the whole, though stretched from sky to sky. O love of God, how rich and pure, how measureless and strong. It shall forevermore endure, the saints' and angels' song.
Hi, my name is Denise Williams, and this poem from Trinidadian Derek Walcott really speaks to me about what happens, when you face so many challenges and you feel like, yeah, I did it. I actually did it. So I'm going to read Derek Walcott's Love After Love. The time will come when, with elation, you will greet yourself arriving at your own door, in your own mirror, and each will smile at the other's welcome and say, sit here, eat. You will love again the stranger who was yourself. Give wine, give bread, give back your heart to itself, to the stranger who has loved you all your life, whom you ignored for another, who knows you by heart. Take down the love letters from the bookshelves, the photographs, the desperate notes. Peel your own image from the mirror. Sit, feast on your life.
If There Were No Tomorrow by Quiet Storm. If there were no tomorrow, I would tell you today that you fill my life with love. Your smile I cannot wait to see. Your arms I long to have wrapped around me. Your lips I lift to kiss, softly, passionately, in every way. I would want you to know that you make my heart skip a beat. You fill my soul with contentment. You brighten my dark skies. You fill my days and nights with stars, hopes, and cascading dreams. I would want you to see how beautiful the world looks with your eyes through mine. Your eyes light up the sky. Your touch paints the heavens. Your kiss creates amazing rainbows of beauty, sunshine, and life. I would want you to understand that I have always loved you. Before I knew there was you, before our eyes ever met, before I found in you happiness, completeness, and passion. Because I've always loved the idea of loving someone just like you. You are the dream I've always wanted but never found until now. If there were no tomorrow, I would tell you that you are the greatest gift in my life. Your love I cherish above all else. You sustain me with your laughter, love, and friendship. If there were no tomorrow, I would tell you today, I love you implicitly, infinitely, without boundaries, and beyond time.
It's very important for even the youths them on the street here. You know, we need to keep our culture. Yeah.
Do you have a favorite poet?
Yeah, don't remember right now, but yes, Miss Lou, definitely.
You see me trial now, ma. That maga girl Wingy want put me in a cascas and big lion Tory. Somebody send come call me the other day. And when I go, my child, the whole family gather around me like I was cursing Nile. Them say somebody tell Miss Terry and she tell her daughter that Lua walk about and a defamate her character. And this somebody will tell Miss Terry, say somebody will know Wingy, say Wingy tell that somebody and that somebody must be me. When them start fi chatissima, I'm glad I wasn't aisle, for I would have must catch fire the way me temper boil. I plaster me mouth pan them, yeah. I wouldn't take it so. Them never know say that I know the rightful way it go. I hear say Jane say, I must say that Amy say that Sue tell somebody that Miss Matty say she hears Sam beat Lou. Me only whisper it to Fan and she go fast and tell Joe. Him tell Duan and she pinch tell Vi. And Vi tell back Sue. Then Sue ask Matty and you know the size of her mouth. She called for Wingy name and then the whole story broke out. But Lou say Sam don't beat her. Him only fling a stone and make mistake so lick her and broke her collarbone and wheel right through the gate. Them call her wouldn't look. I don't business with them cascas, for my life is an open book.
Dreams by Langston Hughes. Hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is a broken-winged bird that cannot fly. Hold fast to dreams, for when dreams go, life is a barren field, frozen with snow.
Me believe say poetry is a thing from even me studies them. Bob Marley is a poetry as well because he set the foundation, you know.
A poem by yours truly, Melvin Pennant. Dunce like bat. Dunce like bat. Hold on there. Is who you are called dunce. Who you are called dunce. I stroll through the darkest of night, by sonar and not by sight. Never had an accident whilst commencing flight. So who you are called dunce. To travel underwater, you use my technology. But when somebody not too bright, you liken them to me. My IQ is 30% above average. So when you acknowledge the least intelligent, I am not the one by which you should make reference. Dunce like bat. Dunce like bat. How could me you a chat? I sleep upside down and never once drop. If you sleep and drive or drive and sleep, you most certainly will crash. Me not really throwing a word, but most of you know some big head bud. So no call up my name, we are not one and the same. Dunce like bat is who you are called dunce. When you're in the dirt and grass, I am in the air flying, first class. So don't you dare like me to your clowns. I am extraordinary. Intellect is my gun. So next time you feel the urge to make reference to a punk, take a good look in the mirror and see who you are called dunce.
Am I Beautiful Too by Rachel Gordon. I watch them every day, putting it on, the foundation, the powder, the lashes, like armor, like magic. They look so sure, so perfect, like they know they're beautiful. And me, I just watch quietly, wishing I could feel that too. I touch my skin, but it doesn't glow. My lips, not full. My eyes, not bright. And these scars, I hide them because I thought beauty had no room for broken things. They say, just fix up, dress up, glow up. But how do you glow when you feel invisible? I try to believe I'm enough, but the mirror stares back with eyes that ask too many questions. Is this face worth seeing? Is this body worth loving? They laugh, they pose, they shine. And I shrink and scroll and wonder, do I have to become someone else to be beautiful too? But maybe beauty isn't loud. Maybe it's not drawn on or filtered through a screen. Maybe it lives in the quiet things, the way I keep going, even when I'm tired. The way I still hope, even when I'm hurt. The way my heart beats, even when I doubt it should. I want to believe that these scars don't make me less, that bare doesn't mean broken, that I don't need to sparkle to shine. So I whispered to the mirror, though my voice shakes, I see you. And you are beautiful too.
In and Out of Time by Maya Angelou. The sun has come, the mist has gone. We see in the distance our long way home. I was always yours to have, and you were always mine. We have loved each other in and out of time. When the first stone looked up at the blazing sun, and the first tree struggled up from the forest floor, I had always loved you more. You freed your braids, gave your hair to the breeze. It hummed like a hive of honeybees. I reached in the mass for the sweet honeycomb there. God, how I love your hair. You saw me bludgeoned by circumstance, lost, injured, hurt by chance. I screamed to the heavens, loudly screamed, trying to change our nightmares into dreams. The sun has come, the mist has gone. We see in the distance our long way home. I was always yours to have, and you were always mine. We have loved each other in and out, in and out, in and out of time.
Still I Rise by Maya Angelou. You may write me down in history with your bitter, twisted lies. You may trod me in the very dirt, but still, like dust, I rise. Does my sassiness upset you? Why are you beset with gloom? 'Cause I walk like I've got oil wells pumping in my living room. Just like moons and like suns, with the certainty of tides, just like hopes springing high, still I rise. Do you want to see me broken? Bowed head and lowered eyes? Shoulders falling down like teardrops, weakened by my soulful cries. Does my haughtiness offend you? Don't you take it awful hard, 'cause I laugh like I've got gold mines digging in my backyard. You may shoot me with your words. You may cut me with your eyes. You may kill me with your hatefulness, but still, like air, I'll rise. Does my sexiness upset you? Does it come as a surprise that I dance like I've got diamonds at the meeting of my thighs? Out of the huts of history's shame, I rise. Up from the past that's rooted in pain, I rise. I'm a black ocean, leaping and wide. Welling and swelling, I bear in the tide. Leaving behind nights of terror and fear, I rise. Into a daybreak that's wondrously clear, I rise. Bringing the gifts that my ancestors gave, I am the dream, I am the hope of a slave. I rise, I rise, I rise.
We Wear the Mask by Paul Lawrence Dunbar. We wear the mask that grins and lies. It hides our cheeks and shades our eyes. This debt we pay to human guile. With torn and bleeding hearts we smile, and mouth with myriad subtleties. Why should the world be overwise in counting all our tears and sighs? Nay, let them only see us while we wear the mask. We smile, but, O great Christ, our cries to thee from tortured souls arise. We sing, but oh the clay's vile beneath our feet and long the mile. We let the world dream otherwise, we wear the mask.
Me's a gateman, keyman, watchman, security expert. Everybody have to pass through me. Me no partial, cater, curry favor. Everybody have to show ID. You could be manager, governor, or prime minister. We're more solid than rock. If you don't respect me and brandish ID, the main gate just go stay lock. Me's a gateman, keyman, watchman, security expert. Me have power and carry weight. You know how much big management and admin people get disciplined when me I hold the front gate? I make them murmur and grumble and beg and explain and complain and wait. Make them lose them temper, cry eye water, and I'll get inside 2 hours late. Woman walk on chalk line, man get vexed and resign, through the power of my key and me. Me no use conscience or play ease up. Me no give blind and me no cry cree. Me's a gateman, keyman, watchman, security expert. Me teach big neck people lesson for free. Anybody pass me learn quick. Me no take argument, me only take ID. Even the nice personal management lady, one Indian lady named Miss Lee. Me know her good cause she interviewed me and give me the bunch of key. But she come work last Thursday, Bob. Morning, Rocky. Oops, I left my ID. We just look on her tough and say, oops, not enough. That now go work, Miss Lee. She turn red and start stutter and sputter. Then she reason, then she plea. Just kiss my teeth and show her with the sign say, staff must show ID. She missed 2 meetings, cancel 3 appointments, and go back home at Clarendon for her ID. Cause me is a gateman, keyman, watchman, security expert. People have to respect me. Even the big chairman and CEO guy drive up with him chauffeur in him Chris SUV. Yeah, I see him picture hang up in the guardhouse and the place named after him. But him never have no ID. So me give him the drill. Then park up there still. Till fight broke out and 7 more security intervene. Me have to thump down 2, kick down 2, and Karachi the other 3. Me is a gateman, keyman, watchman, security. Bad man! Nobody can stop me. It's last week them fire me. But me thief the bunch of key.
World Poetry Day 2026, because poetry is as poetic as it is powerful.